Take a ride in the 2023 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.